Welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss another example which is known as a Turing machine as an adder. So we are going to add a number by with the help of Turing machine. So the thing is that we are adding only unary number. The unary means it contains only one symbol to represent any number. So what is the one symbol? Here we are we can say want to represent the 3, then 3 can be represented by 3 ones, and we want to represent 4, then 4 can be represented by 4 1. Similarly, if we represent any number, then that number of times we write the 1. So when we add 3 and 4, we are getting 7. So we get 7 ones. So it is only unary number. Unary it means only one number is there or one symbol is there to count any number. Simply it is a unary number. So we have a tape like this. In this tape, we are at, first of all put a one number, 1 1 1, and then we put a 0 to separate this number. So it is 0 here, it work as a separator. So we simply put 1 1 1, it is a 3. Then we put 0 for separating the number that yes, we are getting the next number after it. So after it, we put the next number is a 4. So 1 1 1 1. So we put simply 4 times of 4. So it is a two numbers. So it is our tape. So what we did, we simply at the initial state, the read write head will point to the starting uh, leftmost, or we can say leftmost most significant bit. So we first of all move to the end of side. While moving the end of side, we replace this 0 as a 1, and after then this 1 as a 0 because or as a blank, so that we get the 7 types of 1. How it will be, let's have a look on it. So at the state q naught, we simply moving to the right side until we are having 1. So at the state q naught, we simply, if we are input is 1 and if we are input tape is containing input string is 1, then we replacing 1 with a 1, it means we remains 1 as a 1. It will remain the same state when we move the right side. So here it is also 1. So simply we are moving from this to this. So it is a loop. So it is a loop, then we are again moving to this, and now we are here. So after skipping 3 ones, we are getting a 0. So what happened, if there is a 0, if there is a 0 at state q naught, we simply replace this 0 with a 1. So we replace this 0 with a 1 and move to the state q1, and move to the state q1. So we replace this 0 as a 1. So we replace this 0 as a 1 and move the right side and go to the next state q1. So this 0 is replaced by the 1. So what we get now, we are having total 8 number of ones, including that 0 is replaced by the 1, but we are required only 7 ones. So what we did, we go to the last up to the blank. After moving to the last up to the blank, we simply replace the last one to the blank. So we simply want to reduce one extra one. So what we did, we simply replace that extra one with a blank. So where we replace at the end of particular blank. So what we happen, then all the 3 and 7 are becomes a adding. We simply represented the adder, something like that. So at a state q1, we are going to the right side until we are getting the blank. So what happened at a state q1, if there is a 1, then we remains at the state q1. We replace this 1 as a 1 and moving the right side. We simply going to the right side because it is a loop. It is a loop. Sorry. So we are here, then replacing, then we are going to here, going to here, going to here. Then now when we are reaching at the blank, so what will be happen? Uh, we simply when we are at the blank, we are control read write head is at a blank. So at a state, not it is a q1, yes it is a q1. At a state q1, when we are getting the blank, then move to the state q2 and replace that blank as a blank and move to the left side. So we remains blank as a blank and move the left side. So we are going to the left side and move to the state q2. After it, we know that we have to be reduce this one. So what we did, we simply replace this one as blank. So what happened, this extra one will be reduced. So what we did, we simply right now at here it means the last right significant bit, which is a 1. So at a state q naught, the 1, we are simply replace that 1 with a blank, and we simply, it is a state q3, it is a state q3. We simply move to the state q3 and we replace this one with a blank. So we simply replace this one with a blank and move the left, and next state will be q3. So this one is replaced by the blank. Now you should count all the ones. So it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we are having total 7 number of ones, and the last one we replace simply with the blank. How we replace it? After reaching the blank, we simply move left, and at the move left side, we simply replace this one with the blank and move again left side. So we are currently now here. So after reaching here, we want to move our read write head. It is the read write head pointing to here, to the last one, or you can say at the starting of most significant bit. So what we did, we run a loop. So what loop will do, at the state q3 we replace 1 with the 1 and moving left. So until we are getting 1, we simply moving left. So we are getting with the help of loop we are here. After then, when we are getting the blank, we simply move to the right side. So after we are getting, sorry, after we are getting a blank, if we are getting the blank at state q3, if we are getting the blank at state q3, and it is a q4. If we are getting the blank at state q3, it is state q3 when we are getting the blank, we simply move to the state q4, replace blank with the blank and move the right side. So we simply move to the state q4, and we are, after getting this, we are pointing our read write header to this one, and now everything is at its own position. So we are adding 3 and 4, and we are getting the result as 7 times 1. So it is a unary adder. So we can say our given Turing machine is work as a adding the unary numbers, and at the result, at the end of result, we are getting all number of ones at a desired adding result. So I hope you understand this example. So if you are having any query, please comment your question to the comment section. I'm very happy to answer. Thank you. Thank you very much.